Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Ángel Rincón, a student in foreign language with an emphasis on English. And I will tell you about my daily routine in this activity, task number 5. Okay, every day I get up 6 a.m. Then I go to breakfast. However, sometimes I also help make food when my mother is not there. Then I brush my teeth to have better brain and the stand doing the college homework on the computer from 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Then at 12 p.m. I take break for lunch. After I done, I I start reading a book for 2 hours. Then I go out to ride by around the neighborhood for an hour. Okay. Uh, during the week, I do the same routine that I have been doing since Monday. Ho- However, sometimes I usually go to visit my grandparents during those days. And of on Fridays, and change a bit since that they I usually attend a church. Yes, a meeting at 7 p.m. that I go to every day. Then on that same day, I love to go to visit my grandparents. Eh, since they are very friendly with me. Then at night, together with my family, we start watching movies. And the day Saturday are the best day for me. Since on this day I can charge and spend more time with my family. And finally, the day Sundays I wake up a little than my usual time. I wake up at 8 p.m. On that day, I usually chat with my friend. The neighborhood do some activity together. For example, watching eating food somewhere, watch movie together, or just playing with them.